On a quiet night, the sky was clear and full of stars. A bright round moon shone softly over a peaceful village. Everything looked calm and beautiful in the silvery moonlight. In a small hut near the edge of the village lived a poor old woman. She had very little, but she was kind and always ready to help others. That night, she sat outside her hut, looking at the moon. "Oh, how beautiful the moon is," she whispered. "Even in darkness, it spreads light." Just then, she heard a soft knock on her door. She slowly stood up and opened it. Outside stood a tired traveler. His clothes were dusty, and his face showed that he had walked a long way. "Mother," he said politely, "may I have a little food and a place to rest for the night?" The old woman smiled warmly. "Of course, my son. Come in." She gave him the little food she had, just some dry bread and water. Though it was not much, she served it with love. Then she spread a mat for him to sleep. The traveler ate quietly and lay down. Soon he fell asleep. The old woman, however, stayed awake. She went outside again and sat under the moonlight. She looked at the moon and said softly, "I wish I could help more people, but I have so little." At that moment, something magical happened. A gentle glow surrounded the traveler inside the hut. He woke up and stepped outside. But now he was no longer a tired man. He looked radiant and calm, like a divine being. The old woman was surprised. Who are you?" she asked. The man smiled kindly. "I am no ordinary traveler. I came to test your kindness." The old woman folded her hands nervously. "You gave me everything you had without hesitation," he continued. "Your heart is full of generosity, even though your home is empty." He raised his hand and blessed her. "From today, your heart will never be empty. You will always have enough to share with others." The old woman's eyes filled with tears of joy. "Thank you," she said softly. The divine visitor smiled once more and slowly disappeared into the moonlight. From that night on, the old woman's hut was always filled with food. She continued to help anyone who came to her door, just as she always had. And every night, she would sit under the moon and smile, remembering that magical moment. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.